In this video, we are going to see how we can turn off the likes on a YouTube video. So if you want to disable the likes for all of your videos, here's how you can easily do it. First of all, just head over to the profile icon on the top right hand corner and head over to view your channel, and we click on manage videos. From here, in the content section, we will find a particular video that you want to disable the likes for. For example, this is the video. So just hover over it and click on the details, and we scroll all the way down to the bottom. If it shows show more, click on show more and scroll and continue scrolling up till the end, where you see this option, show how many users like this video. You just need to disable this and click on save. Now you might be thinking that what if you want to do it for all of the videos? You can do that as well. What you can do is just from the main content section, you can select all of the videos, but only 30 videos are selected for this page. So if you want to select all of the videos throughout your channel, you click on select all again and click on edit. And from here, you can click on the users rating and set this value to off, and indirectly it will work for that purpose as well. You click on I understand. And since this is a bulk update, it might take some time. So just sit back and relax while it completes the process. And once it completes the process, you can open up any individual video, click on show more and check if that option is disabled or not. Yes, this is disabled. Let's check it for some other video, some other random video, just to make sure that it works or not. Yes, it works. So that is how we do it. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.